this is Liam Day from the Top Class Teacher System, back with another in my video series, the TEFL Tech Toolbox. Today's website is something that's not actually designed to be used in education or in TEFL, but it's one that you can use to overcome a common problem that students have when they read. Now, when you give students a reading text, many of them will read it one word at a time and translate each word as they read it. This makes the reading process very slow and very unnatural, and often either very boring or very frustrating for the students. This website was shown to me at a teaching seminar that I attended, and it's one that I've used in class, albeit sparingly. The idea of this website is that it is an auto cue service. So what you do is you find a text. I've got one here, The Curse of the Black Pearl, which I talked about in a previous video. And you go to cueprompter.com. You click into the box here, delete this text, and cut and paste or copy and paste the text that you want to use. So I'm just going to use this very short part here. So I'm going to highlight, right click, copy, and then right click, paste. So there is my text. Your text can be as long or as short as you need it to be. And then you're going to hit Start Prompter. Now you can choose which color text and which background you want. I stick with white text on a black background, that's fine, but whatever your preference is. And hit Start Prompter. Now you're going to show this on the board and the students are going to read along with you. So at the top here you've got a number of different speeds. Now, I'm not sure what the default speed is, but I think it's about right for doing reading. And all you're going to do when you want to start is hit the space bar. Okay, and the students are now reading along, but they don't have time to stop. So they don't have time to translate every single word that they see. And it makes their reading much more natural than translating every single word and stopping when they come to a word that they don't know and translating it. And it's just a kind of something different. And the whole idea of the TEFL Tech Toolbox is to make your lessons different and interesting. Reading, students are used to being given a piece of paper and told to read and answer questions. However, with this, you're giving them a reading text, but you're telling them that they need to read quickly and that it's not important to understand every single word. I would advise being careful with the questions. Don't use anything that's too abstract. This is a good activity for concrete facts like names and dates. So if we just go back to the beginning here. Okay. It might be something like, what color is the pirate ship? All right, if you've got something, so I'm just going to go back here just to do one more example. Come back into here, close that window, and I'm just going to add some information, so which is called the Black Pearl. Okay, not forgetting my commas, I'm not sure my grammar's okay. Alright, let's start my prompter. Actually, let's do it in a different color, just so you can see what that looks like. We'll go black text on a white background. Okay, and now my question might be, what is the name of the ship? So you play it. Students are reading, understanding what they can, but they don't have to understand everything. And there is your information, the Black Pearl. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll join me again for another one tomorrow. Take care.